Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 15 June 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 1. So let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So student, in the previous video, and name of the chapter is organ system organ systems of our body, organ systems of our body. Short question answer we have already completed in the classwork copy. So take out your classwork copy. Short question answer, that is 4 question answer, 1 2 3 4 we have already completed. Now we will start question number D, that is long answer questions. Long answer questions. Question 1. Explain digestive system with the help of a diagram. Explain digestive system with the help of diagram. So student, you will draw the diagram. Open page number 6. When I explained you digestive system in human body, at that time I draw a diagram also on the board of digestive system, and after that I label, even I have labeled all parts of the digestive system also. So now at the time when you are writing the question answer of the chapter, so open page number 6, and on page number 6 diagram of digestive system is given. This diagram you will draw from the book. This diagram you will draw from the book, and answer I am writing on the board. So when we are talking about the digestive system, so what are the parts of a digestive system? It starts from the mouth. Okay, mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and food goes out from the anus. Okay, and there are 2 glands also which take place in the process of digestion, that is liver and pancreas. Liver secrete bile juice and pancreas secrete pancreatic juice. So as we eat the food, the process of digestion start. We cut the food inside our mouth, and saliva, which is secreted by salivary gland present in our mouth, it is mixed with the food with the help of a tongue. ठीक है, with the help of a tongue. Now when we swallow the food, निगलते हैं जब food को, it moves down through the food pipe. अब ये second part आ गया. First part mouth था, second part through the food pipe the food goes into the stomach, and the maximum time the food remain in the stomach, that is 3 to 4 hours. Is it clear? and what are present in the stomach? Digestive juices. It further break the food, and after 3-4 hours the food goes into the small intestine for further digestion. Here, what I told you earlier, the two gland, that is liver secrete bile juice and pancreas secrete pancreatic juice. So these juices get mixed with the digestive food for further digestion. जो फूड अब कहाँ से आया, स्टमक से आया, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में, तो उसका फर्दर डाइजेशन हुई, और ये जूसेस कहाँ से मिल गए? लीवर एंड पेनक्रियास से. नाउ in small intestine, the nutrients which are present in the food, they mix with the blood vessels. क्योंकि आपको पता है ना, ब्लड ही तो हमारी बॉडी में पूरा सर्कुलेट होता है, न्यूट्रिएंट्स ब्लड में इसीलिए मिक्सअप होते हैं. ब्लड वेसल्स आर प्रेजेंट इन ए स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में ब्लड वेसल्स हैं, और फ्रॉम हियर द फूड मूव्स इनटू द blood vessels, and undigested food, it moves into the large intestine. So in large intestine, water and salt is stored, and after that the food which is of no use through the anus, that food moves out the body. So these complete process is known as digestive system. This is the full explanation of the digestive system of human body. Now note down the answer. As soon as the food enters the mouth, the digestion starts. Is it clear? The food mixed with saliva present in the mouth, which is then easily swallowed from the mouth, from the mouth from the mouth the food passes through a tube called it food pipe. And rich in stomach. In the stomach, in the stomach, food is mixed. Food is mixed with. So this is not a complete answer. You note down, and after that I will rub the board. Then it's not a complete answer. ठीक है, आप इतना नोट कर लो, फिर रब करके then I will write the answer. As soon as the food enters the mouth, the digestion starts. The food mixed with the saliva present in the mouth, which is then easily swallowed. From the mouth, the food passes through a tube called food pipe and reach in stomach. In the stomach, food is mixed with what? Digestive juices. Okay, you can take a screenshot. So, food is mixed with digestive juices. Now, and help to break and help to break it further into smaller particles. Further into smaller particles. Now, food turns into smooth. Now food turns into a smooth paste and easily easily passes into into small intestine. Small intestine. It is further, क्योंकि स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में मैंने बताया था ना कि लीवर और पेनक्रियाज जो ग्लैंड हैं इसमें से जूस सिक्रेट होते हैं, तो फर्दर उसका ब्रेक डाउन होता है. ठीक है. फर्दर फर्दर it is further mixed with digestive juices, then digested food, then digested food is carried by blood. Then the digestive juice is carried by the digestive food is carried by blood to other parts of the body. The undigested food goes undigested food goes to the large intestine. And finally the undigested food is thrown out of our body through the through the anus. Through the anus. So this is the complete answer, because you have to give the full explanation. It is our explained digestive system with the help of a diagram. So this answer is complete, and diagram you will draw from page number 6, which is given in the book. And after, at the time when you are drawing the diagram, please label it also. Is it clear? Label the diagram also. So, and when you are writing answer from the board, na, best method is you can take the screenshot. Okay. Otherwise, in while taking a screenshot, very easily you can note answer from your mobile phone. Now, next question is question number 2. What do blood vessels do? Differentiate between arteries and veins. Okay. So what is the role of a blood vessels in our body? And we know the blood vessels attached to the, when I explained you circulatory system, at that time I explained you the blood vessels which are attached to the heart are arteries and veins. So I already explained you कि both are blood vessels, but due to their function, दोनों ही blood vessels हैं, artery भी vein भी, but due to their function their name are changed. Is it clear? There is a change in the name because they have different function. Or what are the blood vessels do? They carry nutrients to all parts of the body. Okay, what is the role of the blood vessels? Because when oxygen is mixed in the blood, oxygen is mixed in the lungs. Is it clear? Oxygen is mixed in the lungs, and from the, when oxygen rich blood moves, pump through the heart, by which blood vessel? That is artery, to all parts of the body. So you can say that artery is the blood vessel which carry oxygen rich blood. Why oxygen is required, that I have already explained you, because the food which we eat, the nutrients which are absorbed in the blood vessels, it break the food. Is it clear? It breaks the food and it release the energy, and this energy is used by us for doing different activities. ठीक है, होल डे हम कुछ ना कुछ वर्क करते हैं, तो सारी चीज़ों के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? एनर्जी चाहिए. So that is the reason oxygen is very important, and that is the reason oxygen is our living gas. So this is all about artery. On the other hand, if we are talking about the veins, so vein collect blood all parts of, from all parts of the body. ठीक है, artery circulate blood to whole part of the body. And what is the role of a vein? It collect or it carry blood from all parts of the body and take carry back to the heart. वो हार्ट के पास फिर से लेके जाती है उस ब्लड को. क्यों? रीजन इज that blood contains कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. अब हार्ट से वो ब्लड जाता है लंग्स में, और हम लोग क्या करते हैं? ब्रीथ आउट. तो CO2 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आउट हो गई. अगेन व्हेन वी breathe in, then again oxygen rich blood moves. So this process is continuous. So that is what are blood vessel, I explained you. And what is the difference between a blood vessels, that is artery and veins, that also I explained you. Now note down the answer. Question 2. What do blood vessels do? Then we have to write differentiate between arteries and veins. So note down the answer. blood blood vessels carry nutrients and oxygen throughout the body. And they also take waste and carbon dioxide away from the body. So what do blood vessels do? This is the answer for blood vessels. Blood vessels carry nutrient and oxygen throughout the body, and they also take waste and carbon dioxide away from the body. Now we will write difference between arteries and vein. Arteries, the blood vessels that carry blood rich in oxygen from the heart to other parts of the body are called arteries. Now we will write veins. The blood vessel that carry blood rich in carbon dioxide carbon dioxide back to the heart from other part of the body are called it when. So this is a complete answer. Thank you, student.